Okay, Joel, so this is the question you were asking about. So I've just written out already, obviously, what Z1, Z2 is, and the Z combined is obviously the reciprocal of Z1 and the reciprocal of Z2. So just combining the fractions, so just as we would normally, whoops, there should be a minus there, minus 4i. Obviously that's going to give me 3 minus 4i when I multiply this one up to there, and that's going to be added with 4 plus 3i there. Okay, so simplifying the top, I'm going to get 7 minus I over, that's going to give me 12, minus 16i plus 9i is, so it's minus 16i plus 9i, and that's going to give me minus 12i squared. Okay, so I'll come up to here, and that gives me 7 minus I over, now remember 12i squared is going to go to plus 12, so that's going to be 24, and minus 16 plus 9 is going to give me minus 7i. Just make sure that's right, yeah. Okay, so that gives me 1 over z. Now, it also says find z combined in, okay, so as soon as we've got, so this is 1 over zc. Okay, so we need to find the, put it in the form a plus bi, which means we need to multiply the bottom by the conjugate. So I'm going to go on to the next page. Actually, whoops, sorry, didn't mean to draw that. Add another page. So we had 1 over zc was, I have to go back, remind myself, 7 minus I over 24 minus 7i. 7 minus I over 24 minus 7i. So we're going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator as we would normally do, so that's giving me 24 plus 7i over 24 plus 7i. Well, my 24 times tables isn't actually that great, so bear with me. Look. It's going to give me 168 plus 49i minus 24i minus 7i squared all over 24 squared plus, because remember the I squared will go to minus 1, and a minus times a minus is positive, plus 49. So this term here will become positive. So 168 plus 7, it's going to give me 175 plus 25 over, that's I, sorry, over 625, which when we simplify that gives me 7 over 25 for the real parts, and it's 1 over 25 I for the imaginary part. Now that's the 1 over zc. We now need to find zc. So the easiest way to do that, and I'm actually just going to hopefully This hasn't worked very well. Oh, let's cancel that. So we know that 1 over z C was 7 minus I over 24 minus 7I. Well, the easiest way of finding ZC is to just reciprocate everything, and you can do that because you've only got one term on either side, so that becomes 24 minus 7I over 24 minus 7, 24 minus, minus just I. I'll just tidy that up a bit and get rid of that. Sorry, I don't even mean 24, do I? I mean 7. Okay, let me just double check that I have got that right. Yep. Okay, so again, all we've got to do is multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be 7 plus I. So that's going to give me 168 plus 24I minus 49I minus 7I squared all over 49 plus 1 because of the I squared. So that's going to become plus, so that's going to be 175. So that should be an I there. That's going to be minus 25I all over 50, which gives me 7 over 2 minus a half I. Now, I'm not sure if they're the answers you got, but having worked through, they're definitely the ones that I'm getting. Hopefully that answers your question.